dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a deep clean of our master bedroom and decorate with me for fall. It actually took me 2 days to do this video, so I hope that you guys enjoy watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start with yesterday whenever I cleaned the whole room, and then we'll hop in today when I decorated. But without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I started by taking some of our pillow covers, all the pillow covers off, my sheets, my comforter, everything off here because I wanted to use my new laundry scent boosters that I got from Bath & Body Works recently. So they had 2 different fall scents. They had this one called Book Loft, which is what I bought. It's right here, and oh my gosh, I wish I could describe the scent, but I don't know how to describe it. It is so incredible. So if you guys go into a Bath & Body Works, make sure you smell that. I even gave it a smell right then. The other one was like a waffle pumpkin something, but I preferred the Book Loft one, and they were out of the detergent. So I just wanted the scent boosters anyway. So I added those, a little bit of bleach to some of the covers, and it came out smelling wonderful.
Do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steep.
Okay, so I just put on our mattress pad and I bleached it, and then of course Pearl comes and lays on it. She's making it actually look way whiter. She looks kind of off-white on this and normally she just looks super white. Now you guys, look how dirty this headboard is. So this is my side. No offense to my hubby, but he always lays his head up there, and I've never cleaned this, so that's probably gross. I actually watch a lot of clean with me videos where people will clean their headboards, so I should probably be doing this. But I mean, I always have pillows and he just like always lays his head up against there. So just over the years that's gotten really dirty, and I know that's gross, but every time I have our decorative pillows it hides that. So what I'm gonna do is use this OxiClean stain remover, soapy water, and a sponge. So I'm gonna see if I can get that stain out. Hey Pearly, I don't want you by these chemicals. I don't want you by these chemicals. Come here. Oh, you're so cozy. You're so cozy. Oh, I know. That was so mean of me.
That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like a river flows.
So we'll see when that dries. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bed out and clean all behind the bed. So right now we still have our air conditioner, which is such an eyesore right there, but I don't want to take it out yet since we still have really hot nights. So I'm going to be wiping this dresser down tomorrow when I'm actually decorating for you guys. I'm not gonna get to the decorating right now because I'm gonna have to cook dinner soon. I'm gonna probably spend an hour cleaning and then cook dinner and do our night routine. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to cleaning these floors. So this day my son actually came home halfway through the day because he was sick. So I was helping him that morning. So I had to do all this cleaning later once the kids were both home. So once I got my daughter, I came home after the laundry was half done. So I have that cover back on. I started to do the rest of the cleaning. So this is what was under our bed. I always try to clean under here. I really cleaned under here maybe a month or 2 ago, but we have books, book covers. I guess they just completely fall under here and get forgotten. But yeah, look at this. This is really, really gross. And then also I did change out these prints here. So I printed these off. They're just free downloads from Pinterest. I have this leaf with the water droplets on it. I feel like these are just such beautiful warm tones, and so it matches really good with like the black floral creamy colors that are going on in here. Between our cats and just living our lives, it just gets so gross back here. I always have a bunch of dust and stuff in this area, and I always like to pull our bed out. We do this quite often, so I can't imagine how bad this would be if I never did it. But I'm just so glad that it's cleaned up right now. I went ahead and went through with a broom, and then I went through with a duster and a vacuum. So I love vacuuming with a duster. Let me know if you guys do that. But that way I can get any little bits of dust and dirt and awkward spots, and I just kind of brush it into the vacuum.
Wanna be
Okay, so I am going to actually mop with this Swiffer. It's, I don't have an insert in there. I'm just gonna be using this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent. It smells so good. I'm actually gonna use this on the floor. I've done it before. I do it with my other scents. So I don't know, it doesn't tear up my floor or anything, and it says it's all purpose, so I'm using it for the floor. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start mopping back here, and it's already looking so much better, but this will make it smell so good and smell like fall.
Wanna be free of this heart. Yeah.
It's always gotta look worse before it gets better, right?
More than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow. Yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again?
I'm gonna go ahead and remove some stains on the rug where my cats have thrown up. It's really gross, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray it.
Remember that it's over. Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah, yeah. Can't stop. No, no.
Alright guys, it is all clean and ready for decorating tomorrow. I'm gonna call it quits. I finished basically everything other than cleaning off that dresser, which I'll do that tomorrow. But look how much cleaner all this looks. I'm so happy, but I need to go ahead and get started with dinner. But this is all cleared off for tomorrow. I'm really excited. And then I'm gonna just finish laundry tonight and all that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey friends, so it's the next morning. The room still smells incredible. Like, oh my goodness. This spray over here is just so good. I'm gonna use it this morning again to clean our dresser, like I said. Now first I wanted to share this faux tree that I made. Actually a stem just fell down. But these stems are from Hobby Lobby, and I just put them, like I pulled them out of the sticks they come in, and I added them into where my olive tree branches were, because this was an olive tree from Amazon. And then I just stuck it in this little plant holder that I got recently from Marshall's. I just think it's so cute. And you guys know the theme in here is like a lot of blacks and creams, so it's going to be very monochromatic for the most part, with a bunch of, you know, black and brown, but I love that for in here. I do have a few new items, and I am using a bunch of old items. So I am going to use these little candlesticks. I got the candles and the little holders from Hobby Lobby last year. Now something new I just got is this string of lights. I have copper lights somewhere, probably in all my Christmas decor, so I didn't want to go digging for it, but I definitely want to do a cozy twinkle light on our mantle over there. So I think for our mantle, I'm gonna kind of do what I did last year. I just think this is such a classic look. And I don't wanna overdo the floral and the leaves because I do have a bunch, but I want it to all kind of be cohesive. So it's all the same tones, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna use more of those eucalyptus stems from Amazon in here, in this black vase from Hobby Lobby. I recently got this beautiful tray. So I wanted to find a tray for the end of our bed bench. I always like to have trays there, and the one I usually use is in a different spot. Well, this one is one of those India ones, but there's one thing about it. They had a sticker here, and it's like, I don't know if maybe if I scrub this, it'll fix it, but look at that stain. Like, that makes me so mad. This was the Marshall sticker. Let me know. Well, I mean, it wasn't the Marshall's one. It must have been like the India one because it was like that made in India. This is the Marshall's one. It says clearance for $16. It's that like marble with the gold trim. I mean, it just matches all the colors. I have a bunch of pops of gold. I mean, even though I don't like that, I'll be able to hide it with a vase and a candle. So when I had it all decorated, you couldn't even see. But I recently found this candle at Marshall's. You guys, how beautiful. It's like a floral black candle in the pumpkin. Like, how well does that match our room? I love the gold stem, the flower print. All it is just called pumpkin spice. So nothing fancy. But look, if I do this, it hides that little spot. Anyway, so I did get this vase from Walmart last year, but they still have it. I put these Michael stems in it, and I thought it just looked really nice with the print. I found these, which I don't know, I'm not even putting it on this tray, actually. I'm using it in a different spot. Put some of these hearth and hand stems in there as well. Another recent find is this gorgeous pumpkin. It reminds me of the pumpkin I used up front, this maroon looking one, but it's got the lights inside. It says it was $19.99. I actually got this from Bell's. I feel like they carry a lot of the same things as Marshall's and TJ Maxx and stuff. But look how gorgeous that'll be at nighttime. Oh, actually, another thing I forgot to put batteries in, which I need to do, is this little LED candle from Michael's. I totally forgot about that. It's really cute. These are very popular. You know, I had the maroon looking one from Hobby Lobby in our buffet table area. I got some more of these Michael stems just for a vase. They only had 2 left so at my Michael's, so I just picked these, and these are so beautiful. I use them in my kitchen, if you guys remember, on my shelves. Now these I've used for spring, summer, but I think they work for fall too. They have that floral print with the golden mirror. I thought those would be cute layered on my vanity with my gold mirror. Now something else I recently picked up. This was only $10. This is a Fall in New York City 1,000-piece puzzle. So I thought this would be pretty just to set on our coffee table and then actually put it together sometime this fall. So I got these covers last year off of Amazon. They're this velvet with the gold and just the warm tones. I think those are so gorgeous, and they remind me of this pumpkin pillow from Hobby Lobby. It's just so cute. Now they're not gonna be right next to each other, but I just think they complement each other. I ended up bleaching those covers on these pillows. They get really dirty because we always throw them on the floor before bed. So I was looking for a black lumbar pillow. I could not find one, but I found this lumbar pillow at Bell's. So I thought it was better than nothing. I did have a fall leaf one in front of those, but it was just too much pattern. So I think I'm just gonna stick with this, and it kind of chops too, so I can chop all the pillows. I was in search of 2 black pillows, and I looked at Marshall's, Walmart, I looked at a few places, and then guess what? I found these at Goodwill. Now, they're the leather. I wiped them down really good with the disinfectant wipes. I opened them. The pillows have no stains whatsoever, so it looks like the covers had always been on them. So I think I'm gonna put these on my slipcover chairs. I just felt like they needed something black, and then they kind of chop too. I don't know, we'll fix it. But I just wanted a pop of black on these chairs, like I said, and I found those at Goodwill. Both of them were $6, so I feel like you can't beat that. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything together. I'm super excited to get this room finished because it's been kind of a mess. I'm so happy it's actually clean, but it needs to be decorated.
I haven't felt the sun or the blowing of the wind, don't know where it goes. Haven't heard where she's been to be happy. Stay strong to feel love. haven't read a book without skipping.
So I really like these two together, the gold on here with the gold pumpkin and the glass. I feel like I need something else to go here. I'm gonna circle back around to this spot because I'm not sure yet.
Strong to feel love, to be known. I haven't felt the stars, I haven't seen the moon. I wrote them all in song so I could sing.
I'm definitely not leaving this lit unattended because as you can see, my Pearl is very curious. She doesn't normally mess with stuff like this, so I don't know what she's doing. I think it's just because it's here on the end of our bed, but isn't that pretty? And plus, I don't like lighting a lot of candles around my pets. I really don't. I just do for my videos and such, here and there.
To be happy, stay strong, to feel love, to be known.
Okay, so I wanted to give an update on the headboard. It looks like it needs another, and it's honestly still a tiny bit damp, which is crazy. But I'm not gonna mess with it again in this video because then it'll be super wet and our pillows hide it. If you guys clean your headboards, let me know what it is that you use. I was gonna put this candle on my side table, but I think instead I'll just stack it here. I just put the batteries in it. Look how cute, I love it. So I think it'll be so, so cozy at night, especially with this other pumpkin on.
Birds are singing, calling in the morning breeze. Pictures on the shelf, whispers of another life, footsteps fading, feeling.
Okay friends, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I love how our room came out. It's so cozy and I just want to hang out in here and read a book now and finish my coffee. But yeah, I also recently got my hair cut. If you guys noticed, it feels so short to me, which it's still long. I don't know, would you still consider this long? I'm used to my hair being down to my hips, but it was just getting to be too much. So I actually cut my own hair and then I recently got it highlighted, but I just love it. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And like I said, I'll be trying to do a weekly fall video. I do want to decorate our front living room, but I'm still waiting to do our furniture swap up there to do that video. So definitely stay tuned for more fall content from me in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and blessed day.